Hello guys, today I have PlayDoh, a cutter, rocket chip, a roller that can roll the Play-Doh, and scissors. Don't cut them by yourself because they are sharp, and Ninja Turtle stuff. So let's get started. Let's open our PlayDoh. And then now we have then we have to roll it with our roller. Roll, 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 roll. To make a flat, then now we have to roll it. Yeah. Make it flat. Make it flat, 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 flat. Yeah. Yeah. Roll, 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 roll. Sounds is going to be good soon. Now it's done. Now first of all, I want to do the rocket shape. Oh, it fits. We have to do it like this, and then we have to press it hard. Then we have to pick it, and then there's a rocket ship. And then now we have to put it back, and then squeeze it, squeeze, 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 squeeze. We have to roll it again. Now we have to cut it. Now I'm going to make the shape. Boom, boom, boom. Squeeze, squeeze. Squeeze, squeeze. Roll it again. First we have to squeeze it. Roll it into a ball. Roll, roll, roll. Now we have to, and then it's gonna be squeezed. Then it will be a line. And then we have to do it. Yeah, yeah, yeah. In the next video, I did do the elephant in this. In that video, I didn't have the scissors or the rocket ship or the turtle. So I'm just squeezing this. Now we are going to make the Ninja Turtle. Now you have to cut the extra out. Ask a doll for help. I need to do cut, cut. A little bit rolly. Then I'm going to squeeze these. And then I'm going to do the other. Yeah. Ooh. Don't let anything break. Nobody has this except me. I can't buy it anymore because I have so much money, but I don't want to waste my money. I'm going to make it again. I don't know why I'm going to make it. Ooh, I think it will be good soon. Soon is pretty red. I'm doing good. The details. Yeah. It looks good, right? Look. It's in both sides. Now I have to squeeze it, right? Boom, boom, boom. Bum, 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 bum. Bye, guys. I have to go because my battery is low. Actually, it's not. Bye, guys. Give me some likes and views.